Ertugrul-led actor Engin Altan Duzyatan offers condolences to families of Karachi plane crash victims. Engin Altan Duzyatan, the lead actor of Ertugrul or Ertugrul Ghazi, has offered condolences to the bereaved families who lost their loved ones in plane crash in Karachi. Engin Altan, who essays the lead role of Ertugrul in the historical drama series, expressed his grief and sorrow in his Instagram story. He wrote, "I am sorry to hear about plane crash in Karachi. My condolences goes out to the families who lost a loved one. I pray for Pakistan." A Pakistan International Airlines passenger plane crashed in a residential area near Karachi's Jinnah International Airport on Friday less than a minute before landing. It is estimated that at least 98 people were aboard the plane, including 85 passengers. Pakistani celebrities also turned to social media to express their grief over the sad incident.